Alright folks, this is a 2016 Mercedes C300 4matic. What we're going to do here is the cabin filter inside the cab. Not the one that's under the hood, that's in a different video. Alright, so this one is going to be underneath. It's found always on the driver's side, underneath the glove box. So what we're going to do here is we're going to remove the interior matting that's here. Okay, might as well get it out of the way. And there's also another carpet mat on this one. Move this out of the way. This one you can fold down because it has those factory clips over there. There is a Torx 20 screw over here, right underneath. We're going to take that one off. Put that off on the side somewhere you're going to remember. Okay, and then this panel here is going to pull down. Right, there's two little clips, one here, one here. And we're going to pull it down. This piece here, you got to bend it out of the way, away from this little cargo net here. Okay, and then there's going to be a couple of harnesses there. One for looks like a light, and this one here is for some kind of a sensor. So we're going to pull this down a little bit, and when I get to those sensors with a light, we'll be right back. All right, so once you pull that panel down, there is a little sensor here and a little light over here. Right, now this sensor over here, you can actually just twist it. It'll come right out. All right, so be careful with that. You don't want to break that sensor. This one here is a light. You can unclip it, or you can just twist a little socket out. All right, put that out of the way. Now I want to remove this panel out of the way so we can get an idea of where that filter is. All right, it's usually right there. All right, hold on. All right, so in this cabin filter area here, it actually fits right in there. There's a little sliding clip. All right, you grab those little rectangle pieces there and you slide it. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to slide it over to the left, to the right actually. Okay, once you slide it to the right, then this is going to actually come out in your hand, which is the cover. All right, once you get the cover off, I'm going to dig your hand in there. I'm going to grab that filter in there. All right, so once I touched it, it started to fall down. All right, but that's where it is. You can see it's going to be a little bit of an angle over there. Got to get it around that carpet. Otherwise, we're just going to pull it straight down and out of the way. All right, let's see here. That's the angle that it comes out of. See the little cut corner on that side? That's the way it's going to go back in. And you can look at the airflow. There's usually a little arrow. That one shows blower. All right, that's the way this one is going to go back in. I'm going to replace it with an STP brand. This one right here. Right, shaped the same way. Going back in the same way, and we will be good. All right. All right, so I'll let you know that this STP brand here, it's a little thicker. All right, so you just got to squeeze it up a little bit. Definitely need two hands to get it to go. All right, so once it's in there, cover, and then we're gonna have to slide it back in. All right, let's see if I need two hands to do this. Yep, I need two hands to do it. All right, so this piece here is gonna slide onto these little pieces here. All right, let's see if I can do it. All right. So once you slide the little piece in there, at the little rubber seal that's over here, it'll fall into its groove, and then this whole assembly here would slide right together. All right, there you go. It's locked in. This carpet is a little bit of a angle, so give you a problem there. But other than that, once the rubber seal is in there, it's good. Now I'm going to put everything back in reverse. Now there should be another clip. There used to be a clip here, over here, that you stick your finger through like a little square hole and push the clip over. This one didn't have it, so maybe it was changed at one point. Because I can see there's a broken piece on the old one. All right, so let's put the lamp back together and the little sensor. All right. All right, so the lamp turns in. The sensor, you line it up. That turns back in. Now we're going to finagle this little bugger up in there. Snap into 2 clips. Put back the screw. And then the carpet and match will go back in. All right, let's finagle this guy back in. All right, like I said, once you finagle it back in, then you get the little clips. All right, that line up with the little squares there. And you put the little screw back in. All right, that's that, that's that. Find a little screw, goes in here. That's that T20. You tighten that back up. Then back all the carpet and stuff, okay? So I'm gonna put this little screw back in. Yeah, there you go, nice and tight. This goes back in. Then the customer's rubber mat goes in and we're good. All right, that's it. Inside one is done. Ciao.